Solar Power by Tiffany Tran. Solar radiation on Earth. Solar radiation reaches the Earth in many different ways. This is the amount of solar radiation that reaches the Earth's sections. They correspond to the sections on Earth. Lastly, this is the table which corresponds to the graph and to the chart. Does the Sun or HR 8799 emit more energy? First of all, HR 8799 emits more energy than the Sun since the peak on the graph is higher than the Sun's. If you sat out exposed to HR 8799 for a long amount of time, you would get a sunburn much worse than a Sun's sunburns. This is due to the intensity of the ultraviolet light based on the graph. Next, the Earth's orbit model. This object is supposed to replicate what the Earth does when it orbits the Sun. This little light right here is supposed to be the Sun when it turns on. When you spin it right here, this whole thing turns around. As it turns, the Earth spins along with it. The Sun shines on a specific area on the Earth, which is supposed to replicate where the Sun hits when the Earth is orbiting. This model explains why we have night times and daytimes. Lastly, the farther away the Earth is from the Sun, the colder it gets. Is this true? No, the statement is incorrect. The Earth never changes its distance from the Sun. When it orbits, it always stays the same distance. How the Earth orbits is what plays a role in how the Earth has its seasons. There are many factors that determine the seasons. The factor that determines the seasons is how the Earth is tilted. If the Earth is tilted to the right, then it is winter time for the Western Hemisphere. If it is tilted to the left, then it is winter time for the Eastern Hemisphere.